Good evening, is this seat free? Good evening, is this seat free? Of course, sit down please. May I help you? Of course, sit down please. May I help you? I would like to eat something, could I have the menu, please? I would like to eat something, could I have the menu, please? Certainly, here you are. Do you have fish? Yes, sir, do you want salad? Yes, sir, do you want salad? No, I will order a dinner without salad. No, I will order a dinner without salad. Would you like entree? Would you like entree? No thanks, is there any dessert you can recommend? No thanks, is there any dessert you can recommend? Sure sir, chocolate cake is very delicious. Sure sir, chocolate cake is very delicious. Okay, can I take chocolate cake after dinner, please? Okay, can I take chocolate cake after dinner, please? I bring it. I bring it. May I have the check, please? May I have the check, please? Here you are. Here you are. May I see the wine list, please? May I see the wine list, please? The food was very great, thank you. The food was very great, thank you. Part 2. I would like to reserve a table for 2 at 6:30 p.m. tonight. I would like to reserve a table for 2 at 6:30 p.m. tonight. I would like to cancel our reservation. I would like to cancel our reservation. What can you recommend? What can you recommend? Is there a local specialty? Is there a local specialty? Do you have any lunch specials? Do you have any lunch specials? Would you like to see our dinner menu? Would you like to see our dinner menu? We are ready to order. We are ready to order. Could you please prepare the dish without onion? Could you please prepare the dish without onion? I would like a refill, please. I would like a refill, please. Would you like any coffee or dessert? Would you like any coffee or dessert? Please give our compliments to the chef. Please give our compliments to the chef. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal.